ஹலோ மக்களே. ஸோ பார்ட் ஒன்னில் நம்ம ஒரு ஃப்ரெண்டோட கார்டனை சுற்றி பார்த்தோம். அதில் அவங்க ஜீசி பிளான்ட் வளர்க்குறத பற்றி, அதை எப்படி ப்ராபகேட் பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிறத பற்றி அவங்க நிறைய தகவல் சொன்னாங்க. ஸோ இந்த தடவையும் அவங்க நம்மள்ட்ட நிறைய விஷயம் ஷேர் பண்ண போகிறாங்க. இங்கே பாருங்கள், இதெல்லாம் அவங்க ப்ராபகேட் பண்ணது. ஒரு இலையிலேருந்து அவங்க ஜீசி பிளான்ட் வளர்த்துருக்காங்க. அது எப்படி வளர்க்கணும்னு பார்ட் ஒன்னில் பாருங்கள். ஸோ இன்றைக்கி ஜீசி பிளான்ட்டை இன்டோரில் எப்படி வளர்க்கலாம் அதை பற்றி நிறைய பேச போகிறாங்க.
Most adult ZZ see the growth at least 40 years.
Wow.
At least 40 years. And you see the growth. I kept it indoor because again summers they can survive inside the house for months. At least summers they should be inside.
Yeah, you see still it's giving out.
Yeah, see the spiral. It will grow like a spiral. See.
Okay.
And there are many, and there are few more growth also.
Small ones.
Yeah, small ones also are there. I might think they are the other side.
Okay, it's okay.
Yeah, it is here. It's very difficult to find out.
Okay, it's okay. Let's
it is here.
Yeah, I can see it.
There are many. There are two. One is here and one is here. This
so
side
you
also.
just keep on changing pot or?
No, depends upon the size of the plant. So this is a huge plant for ZZ.
Yeah.
For ZZ, 12-inch plant is enough. But
my pot cracked open because of the
bulb size.
Bulbs.
Because it was. This is see the size of the pot.
Yeah, it's big. Yeah,
now
big
in
enough.
Winters, summers, now the soil for this should be porous. So in monsoon, I will be putting it totally outside. Let it have the rainwater.
Yeah.
But it should not be soggy.
It should be well drained.
Yeah. Rainwater is best for any plant. So the leaves also gets washed away. So the dust is clear. See the plants. Yesterday only I have wiped all the leaves. See the shine. It's a beauty. It's a huge plant. And one more thing about ZZ, if you put it indoor, the stems will grow huge, this tall.
Okay.
If they are outside, they won't grow this big. See the size of the stem. These are those stems which are grown when it was inside last year.
So maybe mine is not dwarf because it's outside. It is.
Yours, that one that you.
Maybe.
Yeah, that is not dwarf. The one which I showed you.
Yes.
That is dwarf. If you put it inside, now they will grow. Huge.
Okay.
Even there is one more type of ZZ which cannot be propagated by leaves. They require stem only. And this type of shiny leaves also it doesn't have. But it grows like a fan.
I like this one. This one is really
nice.
good.
Because it's an air purifier, it won't require much water also. So even if you put it in the inside your house, it won't make dirty.
Yeah, it looks like an ornament.
So yeah, it's an ornamental plant. Seriously, it's an ornamental plant. That this ZZ, then caladium, aglaonema, then Zolus. These are all ornamental plants.
Yeah.
Even wine climber.
Yeah, we have to just
sweet potato vine. Yeah, that is also an ornamental plant.
Purple one.
Yeah, purple one. Sweet potato requires lot of sunlight and lot of water. Not soaked in water, but water. This is the best. This is my favorite.
Yeah, really well maintained.
This much plant, if you go outside for the market, it will cost at least 3,000 to 4,000.
Yeah, I have seen. Like even the small one I bought was 400.
Yeah. See, this is easy. So because of that, I'll show you there is some growth here. Growth is there. I need to check.
It's coming out.
Yeah, it is coming out. Somewhere only just now, few minutes back, I have checked it.
Okay.
Yeah, here it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is here. See, it's getting a new growth.
Yes.
See.
So how long it took for this?
Quite long. This I bought it last year.
Oh.
And I watered it slightly more, so the bulb started rotting.
Oh.
So immediately by looking to the stem, I got the idea that it is softened See, it is so sturdy. It cannot be moved that easily. But once the bulb is rotated, no, then it
Gets
starts,
soggy
yeah,
or
it becomes very
soft
soggy.
and
The stems also keep on moving. So I got the idea. I immediately repotted it. I removed the rotten part from the bulb and again repotted it. See, this is a ceramic plant. This is good for ZZ because it doesn't require we don't keep it much for outdoor, right? And this ZZ, see, these are 1, 2, 3, 4 stems, right? I bought for 1,000 rupees.
yeah, it's costly.
Only 4 stems.
I have seen.
And this is a rare one. Black ZZ are very rare. That is why it is very expensive. But this can survive in ceramic pot. Otherwise,
Indoor
any
stuff.
flowering, yeah, because it is indoor plant and doesn't require much water, much sunlight.
Okay.
Other ceramic pots are not advisable for any plant. The roots get burned.
Yes, yes. Only some hardy plants
Some
will
hardy
survive.
plant, ornament, such kind of plants which doesn't require much water, you can put.
ஸோ ஜிஜி பிளான்ட் வளர்க்க நினைக்கிறவங்களுக்கு இந்த தகவல் மிகவும் பயனுள்ளதாக இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். மீண்டும் நிறைய தகவல்களோடு சந்திச்சுட்டு இருக்கேன். பாய்.